What's up, guys? Long time no see. I know it's been a while since the last update. Time just got a little bit scarce here as far as working on this side project. And yeah, what with kids, family life, and the actual 9 to 5, just wasn't finding enough time to work on stuff. So I wasn't trying to just jump on for no reason here. But luckily, I have made some progress this last week. Core functionality for the app is up and good. I think this week I'm going to just tweak a little bit of the design stuff. Nothing crazy. Again, this is the MVP. It's just a proof of concept, get people using, see if they like it, and then if they want it to progress, just let me know, and I can put more work into it. But yeah, so the goal, I think, at least put it into Google Play or push it to Google Play at the end of this week, and it always takes a day or two to review from Google Play. So hopefully early next week I have a nice detailed update for you guys of the whole project and the in-depth. I think I'll probably do like written and video for that. And so yeah, and then as far as iOS and like the App Store, I will probably get the developer account. I've been just lazy about getting the developer account going for that. I'll probably just do it and then submit to the App Store as well. So get you iPhone users something to play with over there. So other side note, just little update on the mushroom book. I think I was talking about last time. Finished that. Good, interesting read. I think I was saying before, kind of some people really think mushrooms can just solve all problems of the world, like illness, whatever. Still not sure about that, but I'm no scientist, so I'll leave that up to other people. But it was kind of cool. The main takeaways from it I got were that through it seemed like guided trips and stuff. Either they were talking about like LSD and psilocybin, which is like mushrooms, um, doing guided trips with people that are well trained in guiding these things. We're providing the author of the book some good insight and stuff, and he found it very useful, and I could see it being kind of cool. I liked how they talk about the brain pathways. As you grow older, you just think of things the same way and use the same patterns to think about things. And when you open up your brain to these types of little trips and drugs, really, it can change the way, I guess, they've monitored this scientifically, so it's supposedly actually true. It just changes the pathways that your brain will take to get to certain things. So it just broadens your mind. So given the right circumstances and the right like environment and everything, I think it can be used, for some good stuff. So it seems like interesting. Uh, I guess it was a big deal in like the 50s and 60s, which was kind of cool. But then like politically, it went downhill and just got a bad rap and stuff. But for like 15 years or something, it was a big thing in like helping like alcoholics, and they tried it with convicts and stuff, and just to change the way they would think, and they saw some, not like full blown, oh, this fixes it, but they saw some decent results, it seemed like. So yeah, cool. Good read. Remember, I think the name was How to Change Your Mind, the journey of psilocybin or something. But How to Change Your Mind, if you Google that, you can find it. I'll try and put a link either in this one or the definitely in the detailed one. I'll do one. Another thing, maybe look out for. I'll sit while I'm working throughout the day and stuff. Throw YouTube on, and I don't know if you guys have heard of Grant Cardone. He's this billionaire real estate and whatever, big time investor kind of guy. Fast talker, kind of salesman guy, but obviously knows his stuff. Um, there was this show, I guess, Undercover Billionaire, where they just take somebody, a billionaire, and it's to try and see if you've removed all the stuff that they have, like all their contacts, money, whatever, could they be successful again? So the task is they get dropped off into an unknown place. This ended up being Pueblo, Colorado, which is kind of funny because we have some roots there. Our family has worked there and, been in the military and stuff close to there. But he got dropped off there. He had $100, a car, and a phone, but couldn't use any contacts. You can't use your name. So like, it's got to be. If anybody finds out that it's you, then that deal or whatever gets nixed. So they really do, I think, a good job of trying to not let that happen, and basically try and make $1 million business in 90 days, $1 million plus. I don't think anybody else had done it. You can watch, see if he does or not. He the YouTube video is basically his version. It's the behind the scenes and stuff. He kind of trashes the studio, which is kind of funny. It's like 8 hours long anyway. It's a little long, but if you just have it in the background over a few days, good watch. Cool to see just the strategies and the thought process of a guy like that is just going hard, trying to make $1 million company in 90 days, and obviously has a lot of knowledge, like his ability to pivot ideas and stuff quickly, and then he's obviously kind of salesman-y, but you can kind of respect it. It's like he knows what he's going for and he knows how to get there. He's just got to make it happen. And his ability to get things done with no money is pretty amazing. So I would recommend that. Throw it on YouTube. It just looked like Grant Cardone, undercover billionaire. I think that'll do it. Yeah, and I think that's it. Again, so I didn't give an update before because I really don't want to spam you guys or feel like I'm spamming you guys. I had a buddy tell me that, hey, telling people that there's not really an update because just haven't had time can actually be helpful and people can relate. So I'm totally down to do that. Just let me know what you guys think. Like, if you prefer, it's like, yeah, just send an update when you got something. I can do that. Or if you want to make sure and try and get like a weekly-ish update all the time, I can definitely do that. And I'll just keep it quick and just say, hey, didn't get much time for anything. Check back next week. You guys let me know what you think. Thanks for tuning in. Share with your friends if you can. It'll get more interesting here in another week. Like I said, a little hiatus there, but we're back at it. I'm going to try and, I got some making up to do, so I got to really hammer these projects out. All right, take care. See you guys.